Ain't no drama, we just tryna have a good time. Me and my girls stepping out in the all black. Louboutin on my feet, don't know how to act. Pulling up to the scene with a top back. Money ain't even a thing, cause we got that. No drama, no drama. Leave it at home for your crazy baby mama.
Good morning, y'all. So today is the day of the pop-up shop. Yes. About to head over there really soon. We gotta be there at 1 and it's like 12:43. And then it started at 2. But let me show y'all everything that I'm bringing. So I made this poster. This is my first pop-up shop, so I was like, I'm gonna just do some shit. But got this poster, got the lip gloss and the toner in here. This has the prices, how to pay. The thank you letters has mango body butters, soap, and the body scrubs. And then I painted these to put on the table. And then this just got all of the the little bags to put the products in. Hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, business cards, and all that good stuff. So this is everything that I'm taking. And yeah, it's gonna be a great day. Hoping we get a lot of sales, or at least a decent amount. Oh, wait, because I don't think I told y'all about my silk press, fresh silk press, and I'm giving y'all inches and body. Okay, inches and body, honey. But anyways, I'll see y'all when we get to the pop-up shop.
I used to take myself out on dates, open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate. Sometimes I'd even get the steak, cause I got it like that. Always had my own bag, never needed no man to rely on. Got 2 good shoulders to cry on. I was alright on my own, till I fell, but it wasn't fake. And I couldn't tell at the time, but I was my own soulmate. It's like I forgot I was fine, let you treat me any kind of way. Now I'm free, you gotta celebrate. You couldn't see everything and stay. That I wasn't afraid to say, yeah. If I gotta choose me, I won't be afraid to. If I gotta choose me, I gotta do what I gotta do. When I love you, I lose me. Now I can't be attached to you no more. I like me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to
So we made 4 sales so far.
I like me better, I like me better, yeah. I like me better, I like me better when I was yours.
We made 4 sales so far. And then we purchased from somebody we know.
I gave you all that you asked of me. You like the view from behind, but you won't make an ass of me. That's why I'm saying goodbye.
Okay, y'all, so in the video I told y'all that I got a few sales, so I just wanted to show y'all some of the people that I supported. So there was a CBD company there by the name of Yanni CBD Essentials, and I bought these CBD peach rings. So boom, it was like, I don't know how many, like maybe 10 of those in there. And then he gave us this, and I found out that it was honey, and you could put it in like some tea or just drink it just like this. So that's what I got from that company. And then from this company, oh, let me show y'all the business card. Boom. If y'all want to follow them, IG right there, Yanni CBD Essentials. Boom. And then I bought these lashes. Super cute. She didn't have her business card on her, but I'll put the link to it in the description box. So that's what I got. And then it also came with an applicator and a little brush. and I just added it to another little bag I had. But and then I won this purse in a raffle. So when you open it, when you're trying to record with one hand, and then okay, so you open it and it looks like this on the inside. It look hella spacious, low key. Like, and then it comes with this. So if you wanted to, was I even recording it? But this is the inside of it. Little zipper part. Put all your cards right there. And then it came with this. So if you wanted to, you know, put it over your shoulder or something, boom, you can do that. And then some other people who were just giving out their business cards. If y'all want to follow her, she sells jewelry. But boom, I'm gonna put all these Instagrams in my description box. But boom, this girl, she bought a body butter from me, and since my birthday coming up, I'm gonna definitely try to purchase some hair. Ooh, child. I'm gonna definitely try to purchase some hair from her because she definitely supported me. So boom, IG, lovely collection. This was another person who was just giving out their flyers. It's a black-owned beauty supply in Georgia. So if you're in Georgia, boom, hit them up. That's the address. And then lastly, if y'all want to get some pole action in, Pink Pole Studio, contact information, all that good stuff, address. But yeah, y'all, that was everything. I don't have a lot of footage from the pop-up shop because it wasn't much other than just, you know, me sitting there waiting for people to walk up to the table. But the little footage that I do have, that's pretty much all that was going on. Just me sitting there chilling, walked around, supported a few people. Oh, and it was a black lady there selling food, so I also supported her. So it was just a bunch of blackness, and I loved it, and I supported as many people as I could. And then I also bought a hookah to smoke while I was there, so I also supported her as well. And all these people that I supported, I'm gonna drop their Instagrams in the description down below, or if they don't have a IG like the beauty supply store, I'm gonna just link the address. But thank y'all for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you head over to our Instagram, we are doing a giveaway, a massive giveaway. So head over to our Instagram so you can see the details, and I'll see y'all in the next video. And I'm really out here in my bonnet, but look, who gonna check me? Bye, y'all.